Would you like to give a gift to your loved ones that they will absolutely love? Well, you could take plastic roses and turn them into bacon roses. Let's do it. I'm gonna be removing all the petals from those roses. Like this. Let's prep the bacon. I'm gonna roll up some thick cut bacon. On the bottom, I'm gonna stick a toothpick through, close to the base. And another one crossing it in the other direction. And place it in air fryer. Look at those. I'm gonna be putting them in the air fryer at 400 for about 10 minutes. They're out and they look fabulous. You need to allow them to cool completely. Once cool, you can remove the toothpicks. And they should fit nicely on those roses. Well, here it is. Isn't that a fabulous gift? Have a wonderful Valentine's Day. What should you use to deliver bacon roses to your Valentine? A pig-up truck.